Hey, today we're diving deep into Kali Linux, your one-stop shop for ethical hacking. We'll break down some essential tools, explore the basics of using Kali Linux, and get you started on your ethical hacking journey. Now, Kali Linux isn't your average operating system. It has a ton of pre-installed tools designed for security professionals and ethical hackers. These tools help us identify vulnerabilities in computer systems and networks before malicious actors can exploit them. But with all of these tools, where do you even begin? Don't worry, we'll break down some key categories to keep you organized. For information gathering, tools like Nmap and Wireshark are your digital reconnaissance team. Nmap scans networks to discover devices and services, while Wireshark sniffs network traffic to understand how information flows. When considering vulnerability analysis, think of these tools like vulnerability scanners. Nessus and OpenBoss scan systems for weaknesses, identifying potential security holes. Exploitation tools are useful for engaging a system when on a pen test. Tools like Metasploit let us simulate attacks through preloaded scripts and payloads. Knowing how attackers exploit vulnerabilities helps us understand how to prevent them. Tools like John the Ripper help us understand the importance of strong passwords. They crack weak passwords, demonstrating the ease which attackers can gain access. Wireless attacks are my favorite. If you're curious about Wi-Fi security, tools like air cracking can be used to ethically test encryption strength. This is just a glimpse of the arsenal of tools that Kali Linux offers. Now, let's get your hands dirty. Let's cover some basic steps to navigate Kali Linux. You can install Kali Linux as your main operating system, but for beginners, using a virtual machine is recommended. This creates a safe environment to experiment without affecting your main computer. Kali Linux relies heavily on the command line, also known as the terminal. It might seem intimidating at first, but by learning basic commands to navigate and use the tools, you'll begin to enjoy the terminal more. And don't forget, help is always available. The Kali community is fantastic. Don't hesitate to use the man command within the terminal to access tool manuals, or search online forums for specific tool usage guides. Using Kali Linux ethically is crucial. Always obtain permission before testing any security systems. And this is just the beginning of your ethical hacking journey. You can use other platforms such as Parrot OS, Mint, Ubuntu, or even Windows. As you learn and practice, you'll unlock the power of this awesome platform. Subscribe for upcoming tutorials where we'll dive deeper into more specific tools and techniques.